Hi, my name is Bailey Fredendahl, and I did a presentation on analyzing and comparing shapes. This standard's a kindergarten standard, so it's kindergartners learning the different shapes, how to describe them, how to recognize them, big or small, and whether they're plane shapes or solid shapes, they're able to know what they are. This is our first shape, a circle. And a circle has no sides or vertices, but it is curved. Big or small, it's always a circle, and it is a plane shape. Our next shape is a square. It has 4 equal sides. Four vertices. And our vertices are where our 2 sides meet. This shape could get confused with a rectangle, but since all the sides are equal, that's how we know that it's a square. This is also a plane shape. Our next shape is a triangle, and our triangle has 3 sides. It also has 3 vertices. It's important to let our kindergartners know that the amount of sides the shape has is equal to the amount of vertices. So without having to count both, they're able to figure out one and just decide that the other one is the exact same. There's many different types of triangles, but it's the only shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices, so we automatically know that it's a triangle. And this shape is also a plane shape. Our next shape is a rectangle, and our rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This shape also has 4 vertices because it has 4 sides. Sometimes students have difficulties figuring out between a rectangle and a square, but a rectangle we know has the 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and we make it very clear to them that the square has 4 equal sides. And this shape is also a plane shape. Our next shape is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, therefore it has 6 vertices. When this shape is first introduced to students, they think that it's an octagon. When learning shapes, parents make a mistake by doing that and teaching them octagon. Well, an octagon has 8 sides. And then kindergartners, as a standard, need to know what hexagon is, and the hexagon has 6 sides. It is also a plane shape. The start of our solid shapes is a sphere. A sphere is a solid shape, so it takes up space. It is able to roll. Some students get this confused when asking what it is when it's on a screen if it's a circle. So we try to show them the actual 3D shape of it, because then they can see the difference, that it's not a plane shape and it actually has volume to it. Our next shape is a cube. And a cube is also a solid shape. It takes up space. And this cube has 6 squares. It is made up of 6 different squares. This shape isn't too difficult for students to see, because whether it's on a screen or holding it in real life, they're able to see the dimensions of it and be able to automatically know it's a cube and not call it a square. Our last shape is a cylinder. A cylinder also takes up space. It is a solid. A cylinder has a circle on top, a circle on bottom, and a curved surface. A lot of students compare it to a soda can. It helps them visualize it, and it is also able to roll. And that is my presentation. Thank you for watching.